Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is question 8, Jamb Physics 2018, which goes thus. In a purely inductive circuit, the current. First, let us take a look at pure inductive circuit. The circuit which contains only inductance, that is L, and not any other quantities like resistance and capacitance in the circuit, is what is called pure inductive circuit. Let us take a look at what this circuit looks like in the diagram. So I'm going to make a quick diagram of the pure inductive circuit. So this is what the pure inductive circuit looks like. And in this type of circuit, the current lags behind the voltage by an angle of 90 degrees. Okay, so let's take a look at the options. In a purely inductive circuit, the current A lags behind the voltage in phase by 90 degrees exactly. So the answer option A is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.